नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्र मैत्रिणींनो, आज आपण शिकणार आहोत थेरम ऑफ एरिया ऑफ सिमिलर ट्रायंगल्स. थेरम ऑफ एरिया ऑफ सिमिलर ट्रायंगल्स. जर का हा व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला आवडला तर तुम्ही जरूर लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि सबस्क्राईब करा. तर आपण सुरुवात करूया. नाउ सी द स्टेटमेंट. Theorem of area of similar triangles. Ratio of areas of similar triangles is equal to the ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. Side BC, its corresponding side is QR. AB corresponding side is PQ. AC corresponding side is PR. Before we start, you must know the difference in between similarity of the triangles, similarity and congruency. In similarity, corresponding angles are congruent, and in congruency also corresponding angles are congruent. So there is no difference. But when triangles are similar, then ratio of the corresponding side is congruent. And when the triangles are congruent, means corresponding sides are congruent. In similar triangles, ratio of corresponding sides means AB upon PQ will be equal to BC upon QR, and AC upon PR will be equal to AB upon PQ. Ratio will be same. But if triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR, it means side AB is congruent to side PQ, side BC congruent to side QR, and side AC congruent to side PR. Now we will start to prove the theorem. Now what is theorem? Area of similar triangles. Means we are discussing about ratio of areas of similar triangles. So this triangle ABC and triangle PQR, these are similar triangles. Similar triangles. This is given to us. Now in similarity, ratio of corresponding side is congruent. So AB, its corresponding side is PQ. BC, corresponding side is QR. CSST, corresponding sides of similar triangles. As well as if triangles are similar, then corresponding angles are congruent. So angle ABC will be congruent to angle PQR. ABC PQR. Okay. Now think about this triangle ADB PSQ. ADB PSQ. Angle B in ABC and angle B in ABD is same. PQS, PQR same. So angle B and angle Q are congruent. D and S, these are right angles, so they are congruent. And in triangle, if we can prove that any two angles, pair of corresponding angle is congruent, means these two triangles are similar. Again here we have another pair of similar triangles. Triangles are similar. So ratio congruent AB upon PQ equal to AD upon PS. Now see this equation. AB upon PQ equals to BC upon QR, and here AB upon PQ equals to AD upon PS. So in these two equations LHS is same. LHS same. Thus RHS will be same. RHS of this equation is BC upon QR. RHS of this equation is AD upon PS. So BC upon QR is equal to AD upon PS. Now we have to find out ratio of areas of two triangles. According to exercise 1.1, what we know? If B1 is not equal to B2, H1 is not equal to H2, then ratio of areas of these two triangles will be base into height upon base into height. Okay. But we have proved that this AD upon PS, we have another value for this AD upon PS, and this is BC upon QR. So I will write down this value here. Instead of AD upon PS, here I have written BC upon QR. So this will be BC square upon QR square. In this way, we can prove the ratio of areas of these two triangles equals to AB square upon PQ square equals to AC square upon PR square. Here I have drawn the perpendicular on the side BC, perpendicular on the side QR. So here it is proved that ratio of the areas of triangle equals to BC square upon QR square. If I want to prove AC square, then I will draw perpendicular here. If AB square, I will draw perpendicular here. I will draw perpendicular here. Okay.